Hello, I plan my next bike trip and when browsing through the internet, I found that a lot of people are struggling how to build some cheap or very cheap, durable and easy panniers to carry all the load on the bike trip. So, because I did already several bike trips with my own panniers, let me show you how to build them and consider building your own. What you will need: take some old jeans, bigger is better, uh, some old belt and some strong rope or this kind of stuff, and few zip ties. First thing you need to do is to put something into the pants and measure the length, how long you will need to have the panniers. Okay, I put there some stuff and I would like to have them approximately this sized to have the down bolt near the end of the rack. Just take the pants and make a knot on the leg side. In the length you approximately need to have it. I will tidy it up into the final state. You will end up with something like this, which is okay for me. Now this end will just annoy you when you will pedaling, so I will do some stuff to hide it a little bit. I will, using my two hands, I hide the bolt inside of the pants. Now I will just zip it with the tidy zip stuff. Okay, the knot is packed inside and I have used the zip tie to hold the pants in this shape. Now let's do the stuff with the second leg. So approximately this size. Make a knot. Okay, same size. Let me check it if I can compress it a little bit. Good. So now let's hide the knot inside the pants. Good. And let's fix it with a tidy zip. Once again, make it nice. Good. Okay. Fine. So that's it. Now we have nice panniers. How to fix them to the bicycle? Obviously the panniers are not waterproof, of course. Therefore, I pack anything in the plastic bags, and I use this kind of stuff. Now the panniers are packed. So, last thing to do is to put the belt on. It will hold the panniers on the top side and put it on the bicycle. Good, like this. Fine. Now, what I usually do is just fix the top of the panniers with a belt. Yeah. So let me show you. I need two hands, like this, and because I'm lazy, I just put the end of the belt inside. Now we have to fix the panniers on the bottom side. The last thing is to use a piece of rope, or I better use this kind of fixes, which are more convenient and will take you less time to put it on and off, and fix the bottom part of the panniers to not shake on the bike, and to prevent it will fall into the wheel. Good, so let me do it. And after a few seconds, the panniers are touched or sticked to the rack. Good. So that was it. Just to show you how it looks. It looks like this. All the people are laughing about, because it's not common. And big advantage is you have a lot of space to put your ID cards or whatever you like into the pockets. Yeah. Other advantages, the panniers are lightweight, very cheap, very durable, can hold a lot of stuff inside. And one tip: choose a little bit darker color of the jeans. It will then the panniers will not look that messy after you ride within the first mud lake. And yep, have fun.